Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. You wanna walk? Gonna walk? Leave her alone. Let her start walking. Do you wanna walk? Hmm? Do you wanna walk, baby? Do you wanna walk? Huh? Oh, they're so skinny. Yeah, you're very, very bony. Very bony girl. Little bones sticking out, spine, hips. Yeah, your little tongue. Hey, baby girl. You want to try and walk again? You were just walking. Let's see if you'll walk some more for us. Come here, baby. You want to walk? Yeah, there you go. Look at how good. You're such a good walker. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're a good little walker. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on, Sophie. I call her Sophie. Come here, Sophie. Come on. Can you do it? Come on. Come on. Little wobbly. Little wobbly. Here comes Roxy. Two old ladies. Walking kind of funny. Hi, little girl. Come on. Sophie. Can you hear? Can you hear anything? There's Roxy in the back. Yeah. A little shaky. Now we're just looking around. Hi, baby. Hi, Sophie. Hi, Sophie.